Hi guys, today I'm giving you a quick demo as to how to use the Kigaa test. It is a rapid COVID-19 antigen self-test kit. So guys, first things first, you're going to place all the contents of the box on a surface. On the box, you will see there are these two dots. So here, we have to insert the tube, this tube, and cut it through, pass it through in a fashion that it penetrates in the box. Next, I'm going to remove this foil. Guys, next we'll take out this swab. So I'm going to be touching the plastic side. The swab side, you will not touch it with your fingers. So it clearly says peel here. Next, what you're going to do is we have to insert the swab side, the cotton side of this stick inside our nostrils one by one. You can insert like something like half an inch as per your comfort, half an inch, quarter to inch, and circulate it any one of the sides as per your comfort 5 times. And we do it one by one with both the nostrils. So guys, after this, immediately we have to dip this swab in this tube and mix it vigorously at least 5 to 6 times, and we have to leave it for a minute. You may set a timer. After this, what you can do is just like with your fingers, you have to press this plastic tube very nicely so that whatever liquid is there in the swab, that comes very nicely. And I'm going to put this swab on one corner, take these caps and just tighten it. Yeah. Guys, next you're going to take out the test thing and squeeze this liquid 4 drops where it says S. So guys, overall you need to wait for like 15 to 20 minutes and then use the manual to read the interpretation of your test results here.